Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to invest with Lending Club in 2025. If you're looking to dip your toes into peer-to-peer lending, this is the perfect guide for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Lending Club is an online platform that connects borrowers with investors, allowing you to earn interest by funding loans. It's a smart way to diversify your portfolio, especially with the exciting updates in 2025. First things first, what makes Lending Club stand out in 2025? The platform has rolled out enhanced AI tools for better loan selection and reduced fees for new investors, making it easier and more cost-effective than ever. To get started, head over to the Lending Club website and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic information, verify your identity, and link your bank account for seamless funding. Once you're set up, it's time to invest. Lending Club grades loans based on risk levels, from A, lowest risk, to G, higher risk. You can manually pick loans that match your strategy or use their auto-invest feature to spread your money across multiple loans for diversification. In 2025, the AI recommendations have gotten even smarter, helping you avoid potential pitfalls. Now, let's talk benefits. Investing with Lending Club can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts, with average yields around 5 to 9% depending on your choices. Plus, it's accessible with as little as $25 per investment. But hold on, there are risks involved. Loans can default, so always invest only what you can afford to lose, and keep your portfolio balanced. To wrap it up, monitor your investments through Lending Club's user-friendly dashboard and reinvest earnings to grow your wealth over time. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Do your own research and consider consulting a professional. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.